Morgantown has a rich history in glassmaking. In fact, former First Lady Jackie Kennedy once even brought Morgantown Glass back to the White House. Today we're going to take a look at our glass industry past and how it echoes into the present and future.
Really, the glass industry is one of the oldest known businesses in the country. It started in the 1600s back in Jamestown, Virginia. So the history is, it's been in existence for a long time. We plan on carrying it further. We've been at this location since 1970, but the original factory was started by my father, Emmett Lynch, and Mert Davis back in 1945. And we're probably one of the last remaining hand-blown glass factories. And one time there was a lot of skilled trade. Today, those skilled trade people are gone or retired, and they really can't come back. So we're fortunate that we're training new people, but that takes time, and you just don't learn this trade overnight. We want to continue the tradition and keep the factory going. It means a lot to have something that this old to keep it going. So we're very proud of this.
The Seneca Center is super unique. We really like the history about the Seneca Center. We knew it was an old glass factory, and we have been fans of some of the restaurants here in the past, especially the tea shop. I'm Christian Higgins. I am the co-founder of Brownie House with my mom and co-partner Karen Higgins. We have founded Brownie House, which is a gourmet brownie bakery, and we're set up here in the Seneca Center. When you walk through the hallways, you see all the old glass pieces and the tools and stuff that they used. We have ties to Morgantown. Like, I'm born and raised in Morgantown, and it's been something that's really important to us to hold near and dear to our business. So we like that we're kind of set up in a historical point of Morgantown because it's kind of reflective of our ties to the city.
But we wanted to bring something a little bit different and special to this area with what was here prior to this building, and we wanted to dress it up, but in a way that would be a throwback to this area's history, which is all the glass factories. So we came up with a name to name the building the Glass Factory, and within the design we were very particular on the materials used to make it look like an old warehouse that maybe had been remodeled to be a boutique style retail business. We wanted something to be a statement in and of itself. Well, I think history is very important. History is where we've come from, and everything from our past serves a purpose for today. So that's the importance to us to understand where we've been and where we're headed to.